I am Saranya, MSc Biochemistry. My topic is structure and functions of auxin. Auxin definition. An auxin is a plant hormone derived from the amino acid tryptophan. An auxin may be one of the many molecules, but all auxin molecules are involved in some sort of cellular regulation. Auxin molecules are one of the five major types of plant hormone. Other major groups are gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Auxin was the first of this group to be identified and was chemically isolated in the 1930s. The most widespread auxin is indoloacetic acid or simply IAA. IAA is an auxin which are the very important in the growth and development of plant tissues. In studying auxin molecules, scientists have been able to recreate similar structures called synthetic growth regulators. These fake auxin also stimulate growth in plants and have been used in many agricultural and commercial applications. Structure of auxin. Native auxin molecules are normally derived from the amino acid tryptophan. This amino acid has six-sided carbon ring attached to a five-sided ring containing carbon. This five-sided ring has a group attached. The only difference between most auxin molecules and tryptophan is what is attached to this ring. The common auxin IAA can be seen below. To create this molecule, two enzymes are needed to act on tryptophan. First, an aminotransferase removes a nitrogen and a hydrogen from the side chain attached to the five-sided ring. Then a decarboxylase enzymes remove the carboxylic group, leaving only COH. A chloride ion attached to the six-sided ring and IAA is born. Most auxins are some derivations of this molecule. Thank you, ma'am. Functions of auxin. The auxin group of hormones has a wide range of uses in plant. Auxin molecules are found in all tissues in plant. However, they tend to concentrate in the meristem growth centers which are at the forefront of growth. These centers release auxin molecules which are then distributed towards the root. In this way, the plant can coordinate its size and the growth and development of different tissues based on the gradient of the auxin concentration. Auxin affects many different cellular processes. At the molecular level, auxin molecule can affect cytoplasmic streaming, the movement of fluid within a cell, and even the activity of various enzymes. This gives auxin direct control over the growth, development, and proliferation of individual cells within the plant. The auxin gradient directly affects processes such as flower initiation, fruit development, and even tuber and bulb formation. Even on a daily basis, auxin level affect processes such as phototropism, which allow the plant to follow the sun and gain the most energy. The auxin control these processes by concentrating in the side of the plant away from the sun. This causes change in the cell which bend the plant towards the light. Another important features which auxin gradient provides many plants is apical dominance. Apical dominance is formed when the single meristem is growing faster and more effectively. Eventually, the auxin released from this meristem inhibits any new shoots from budding off below it. If the stem is cut off, many new shoots will erupt below the stem. As the auxin gradient has been disrupted and the system must create a new leading shoot. The auxin gradient which established determine how fast internodes grow, which determines the height of the plant. When discussing the function of auxin molecules in plant, it is almost easier to discuss the things they do not control. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.